And it has been gorgeous this Sunday. The temperatures are great.
Makes it hard to drive into work, doesn't it, Andrew? Just a little bit.
Oh, yeah, it's going to make it tough, especially after the holiday, because the heat is on for not only Memorial Day, but the sunshine sticks around. And if you love those high temperatures near 90 degrees, it is coming for us on Tuesday as well. Let's talk about temperatures tonight, though, because it will be another mild and comfortable night. Temperatures staying in the 60s overnight with partly cloudy skies. Here in the metro zone, between 63 and 67 degrees by dawn. Dry conditions overnight with a few extra clouds from Dundee over to Adrian overnight, with temperatures down to around 65. West of 275, same deal, partly cloudy, 63 degrees in Milford. And we can sleep safely with the windows up with slightly cooler conditions between 60 and 65 degrees in our north zone, including Lapeer, Yale, and also K-Pac and around Emmett. Now to our west, we're seeing a few showers, even a couple of thunderstorms here across Lake Michigan. Speaking of which, if you're doing some traveling tomorrow along the shoreline of Lake Michigan, it is very windy and very choppy. So there are big advisories that are up in terms of swimming and boating because of those high waves and dangerous rip currents. It's that time of year, once again, where we have to pay attention to that. So if you plan on heading to beaches on the western side of the state, remember, listen to the authorities, the lifeguards. If it's too dangerous to swim, stay on shore. All right, temperatures around here, mostly in the 70s now. 77 over at Metro Airport, a wind of 13 miles per hour. Let's look at the tropics because it's that time of year as well, getting close to hurricane season. Doesn't start until June 1st, but we already have our first one of the season. This is in the Pacific Ocean. This is AGATHA, a Category 2 storm, winds of 110 miles per hour, more of a threat to southern Mexico than any place else over the next 24 hours. Possibly a Category 3 storm when it comes ashore by Tuesday morning. Just as it does come ashore, it decreases to the Category 1, stays over southern Mexico, but we'll watch that closely. And that again is in the Pacific Ocean, not the Atlantic. As you may recall from last year, hurricanes and tropical storms, there are two lists for both oceans. Again, we'll watch that closely for you. Here's your national weather if you're doing some traveling on Memorial Day. Looking good up and down the eastern seaboard. Here it's looking good as well with sunshine. The heat is on across Texas and the deep south. The only weather worries around Minneapolis with some showers that will occur. Showers and even snow showers in some of the very high elevations of the Rockies. But the western coast is looking pretty good as well. Some rain showers though for Seattle and western Washington. Back closer to home, we're looking at 70s to around 80 degrees right now around dinner time. 80 for our friends over in Lapeer, 78 in Pontiac, 76 in Mount Clemens. Hello, Dundee. You've got 80 at this hour. And hotter conditions to our south and west. 84 in Chicago, 86 in St. Louis. Those are some of the temperatures we will experience tomorrow. And in terms of cloudiness, a few clouds overnight from some of those showers that are off to our west, but it remains dry. And they're out of here by dawn, inviting plenty of sunshine for the holiday and excellent weather for commemorations and parades on Memorial Day itself. 65 degrees overnight tonight. As it cools down, it still remains mild across the region. The heat is on tomorrow, so drink plenty of water. If you're going to be outside much of the day, watch your outdoor activities. Make sure that you wear light and loose-fitting clothes, including over at the baseball game. Tigers playing once again. 88 to 89 for a high. 91 degrees on Tuesday, so much hotter than average on that day. The next chance of rain, and we cool off middle of the week with 80s and 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Sunshine returns with temps in the 70s by next weekend.